Mexico. And we're gonna go on another walk. And this morning, I'm gonna go to the other side of the highway into La Floresta. I have some videos I put up with some parts of La Floresta, lower and upper La Floresta, on both sides of the highway. But today, I'm gonna again go to lower La Floresta neighborhood here in Ajijic, and this is one street I haven't been on yet. So I'm gonna go through here for a little bit and give you guys a look of what one of the La Floresta neighborhoods is like. Beautiful neighborhood, big homes. Okay, let's do this walk here. That's no little one there, that's a big one. Okay. Senora. Okay, I moved my camera. I didn't want to capture that on the camera. Yeah, it's a nice walk. And the sidewalks are pretty cool to walk in. And I'm walking on this side thing. A lot of people walk alongside the curb because it's smooth. And this sidewalk isn't too bad either. I don't see a lot of for sale signs here and there. I don't see any for rent signs here. But I'm sure there are some places in these La Floresta communities. If you do a diligent search, you'll find one. Muy tranquilo. Wow, that's a huge property. It's got security cameras on it. A lot of these places do. Beautiful flowers, colorful, beautiful plants, cactuses. See, there's a dog over there. He's moseying around. It's a worker's truck, I think. Buenos dias, señor. Often Mexicans will respond as buenos dias or dias. Okay. Let's see what this dog's up to. Oh, what do you know? Oh boy. Sorry, I didn't mean to catch him doing that. But here's where horses are. You know, here's where you can rent horses on different days goes down further. These roads go down to the Lake Chipala. Right then, and oh, here's a horse. Here's some horses. Here they are. Now you can rent these horses. They're for rent. I've been by here before. And, oh yeah, I was by here in another video. Okay. Well, we're covering it from a different start. Look at this guy here. He's saddled up. Another one saddled up. Right there. This guy here, there's a couple there. See, that one doesn't have a saddle. The other one doesn't have a saddle. Here comes another horse. Or, not here comes another horse, but here's one saddled up. Now, some of these horses you see going through town, when people are on them, sometimes they're rented for horse rides, and then sometimes they're ridden by private owners, the owners of the horses. So let's keep walking through La Floresta. Beautiful area here. Okay. Residential area here. You can see some of the big, beautiful homes. Each tree. Wow. These trees are amazing. Okay, I'm done with this video for the moment, and please give this video a thumbs up. Look at that big satellite to share. Wow. You guys are cruising kind of fast. Okay, here's a dog. He's probably friends with the horses. He's helping look out for them. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe. It costs no money to subscribe to this channel. Comments, questions, I'll do my best to get back to you guys. And here's the soccer stadium right here, where it says Prisa. Behind those walls is the soccer stadium. I uploaded a video with the kids playing soccer, well, the young teenagers anyway. And look for that video. If you backtrack into the videos, you'll find that for this channel. Big homes. Flowers, beautiful colors. This guy, you notice, is driving a little slower than the other guy. This guy too. Okay, adios. From one of the La Floresta neighborhoods in beautiful Ajijic'S, Jalisco, Mexico.